In this video, we're going to learn how to enable dark mode on YouTube. First of all, open YouTube application. It will take you to homepage. That's your YouTube homepage. Tap on your profile icon. Go to settings area. You'll in the beginning you will find general option. Tap on it, and if you scroll down, you will find appearance option. Appearance option is at the third row. Tap on it. There are three different options: use device theme, light theme, dark theme. If you want to enable dark theme, tap on it. That is enabled. If you don't like this format, if you don't like this theme, if you want to reverse to the previous theme, choose light theme. Or if you want to device theme, choose this option. That's it. That's how you can disable and enable dark mode in YouTube. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.